starts right here. It starts right now, right here. This is the start of our jobs, and to show what we can do.
We're constantly starting production on new parts, things that we never dreamed we could do before. Everyone's working together to make better products that we would never be able to do in the past.
Business would be nothing without people. We have always felt that we wanted to give the maximum opportunity to someone who showed the drive and the intelligence.
Making everybody be a part of the family over here makes it exciting overall. I mean, coming out with new products and new innovations, we really couldn't do without our employees, coworkers.
I'm really proud of being able to give back to my community, give back to the high schools, be able to mentor them, and I hope that I've inspired them because they've inspired me.
Being a part of different schools and encouraging them about manufacturing and making it a big part of not only our team members but also our customers and giving them an opportunity to be a part of our bigger mission of making a positive impact in the lives of others.
Exceeding expectations is a big thing for me. I don't want, people to see something that I made and be like, that's all right, looks pretty good. I want them to be like, that's the best I've ever seen. That's what I like, that's what drives me.
Importance of caring for each other, sharing, collaborating to make our industry in Chicago manufacturing strong.